wrong with you guys? You guys are fat and lazy.
Today is January 18th. This is Kaya's litter of Belgian Malinois puppies. They were born December 18th, which makes them 31 days old. There's a mixture of 6 males and 3 females in this litter. They are 3/4 French lines and 1/4 Belgian. They come with full AKC registration and health guarantee. The puppies are already doing good on their eating food on their own. They're still getting milk, but we feed them 3 times a day, a mixture of canned food and milk replacer. And then when they get about 6 weeks old, we'll start feeding them puppy food, which is got nice high protein in it, and it looks kind of like little Cheerios, easy to break with their small teeth.
You're just a happy little dog, aren't you?
One thing nice about Arizona is it's still 75 degrees outside, so puppies can run around in the grass versus freezing. There's one super dark colored mahogany one in the litter. That one's a male.
You go.
So they're technically about 4.5 weeks old. When they're 6 weeks old, we'll give them their first immunization against parvo, and they look like a little army. This litter should be pretty easy to house train, as their house is indoors and then they go outdoors to use the bathroom already, so that way the mother takes them out so they don't use the bathroom in their bed. We started out in a whelping pen and closed, but now they got outside access since they're getting a little older. And we do their feeding outside, so the only thing they do inside is sleep. Their food's outside, their water's outside. Probably about another 4 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, their ears will start standing up. Right now they already like to chase people around, so in the next video, by the time we'll have them biting on little rags and stuff to kind of build their prey drive up a little bit. This little tug of war for them.
Regroup.
And we'll make their next video in about 2 weeks, and they're about 6 weeks old. They come a long ways, and last 2 weeks ago they were just had their eyes open and barely could stand up, if at all. And now they're already, like I say, eating good and following people around and thinking they're a little pack of wild animals.
Malinois puppies.